Hello, my students. It's really nice to meet you today. And please look at the screen. Yes, this is the seats where you need to sit. So please look at the screen. And those are your team members. So please look at that. Let's start our class. English class. Before we start our class, we are listening one music. This music is from BTS, the most famous boy band group in this world. So the reason that I'm showing you this song is the theme of this song is related to what we are going to learn today. Did you listen it well? That's so great. These three things are what we are going to learn today. And these three goals are from 2022 Korean government English curriculum. So if I will read this black thing students will be able, then you guys students please read the red point. Okay, red part. Okay, starts. Students will be able to understand the reading and finding the main point. Students will be able to express what they understand. Students will be able to deliver their message with accurate method. Okay, students, before we start our main activities, we are going to do small game. It's about world game. So I already printed some QR code, so please enter that QR code. And before we start our main things, let's do some world game and try to, reduce some worries of studying, okay? But please just enter the QR code, but don't start your game yet. This is the way how we will do the game. First, you can see the group of alphabet and picture. 2. Look them and put the right vocabulary and the Korean meaning as well. Third, we'll know the result after finishing your game. So I will show you, for example. So this is the picture. This is the alphabet. So with these two hints, you can put right alphabet order and then Korean meanings. But you should be careful. You should put alphabet first. 알파벳을 먼저 순서를 배열하신 다음에 한국말을 배열하셔야 합니다. So it's also possible that even if you can't enter Korean first, 한국말 먼저 입력하실 수 없지만 you can use Korean meaning as a hint as well. Okay? I will give you 3 minutes to do it. Students, did you do it well? Now let's do our main project today. So our main group project will consist of, our group project consists of 3 parts. So first, you will read the passage assigned to each group. Second, you guys will do some teamwork. And last part, the presenter of each team will go in front of the students and present their group work. So the thing you will read is I already printed for each group, so you just need to read that. Okay? But it's also really important you guys are sitting with your each team. So the reason I divided you guys with each team is I gave each person their own work. So it depends on team, but most team, some team could have 5 team members, but most team have 40 members. So if some team has 5 members, just the last person can do anything, okay? But I recommend that last person do presenter because there are already 2 writers and team leaders can't be 2. It's a bit odd. So I recommend that if there are 5 team members, the last person who is not in this chart, I recommend that person do the presenter, okay? So one team leader, and that team leader will lead a meeting, and one presenter, and that presenter will present team's work. And there are 2 writers, and those 2 writers will write team's work at Padlet. The reason that I divided each person's work is we're living in the society, so it's really important that we always do our best of what we need to do. And this is the list of what person will do what job. So, for example, Myungju will do leader, and Yeun will do a writer, and Eunhwan will do a presenter. And this is the team number. So, team 1 consists of 4 members, team 2 consists of 4 members, team 3 consists of 5 members. And each person might not know what they will do through this chart. I know because I'm studying at class number 11. So now I know this class is class number 12. So I will give you 1 minute. So please choose what you want to do. Okay? Good job. So you know, the thing we will use today is Padlet. So Padlet is like, you can think Padlet is like Instagram. You can enter there and find a file and do work. You can do work in Padlet, or you just do work on the iPad or just upload it to there. It's also really okay. Finally, you just need to upload your things at there. So it's really like Instagram. And this is the thing you guys need to read. So team 1 is here, and team 2 this people, and team 3 this people. But this is not important because I already gave you what you need to read, so just read it and do activities. Okay? Please enter the QR code. Maybe you can find some QR code in there. It's not the World Game QR code. There is different QR code which I printed on. Maybe you can find it, the front back part of what you got. Yeah. So you can find manual in the Padlet website. So please take the picture, scan the QR code, and you can find everything after entering the QR code. Just follow it, and I believe you guys can do it well. Fighting. Here's the QR code. This is the group project paper. You can find it in the file which I gave to you, so you can just write it by your hands and take a picture and upload it. It's also possible. It's your choice. Okay? So please enter the Padlet. Yes, I will introduce you briefly what you need to do. So here, please write your name, like team name, team number, 1, 2, 3. And after reading, not here, please write 2 vocabularies. Which do you think is the most 2 important vocabularies? And then you need to write here the sentences which has that vocabulary, but that sentence should be in the reading passage which you got. Okay? And here, please, using Korean, write the main idea which you think in the reading passage you got. And after that, please draw pictures to show your main message of the thing you got. So here, please write the main idea of the passage you got, and please draw that main idea with image, okay? And you just need to do until here. And while listening other teams work, please write here. Please fill here while listening other groups work, and write the team number here and the reason why do you think they did great, okay? So please read. I will give you 5 minutes. Did you guys finish reading? Then let's do a teamwork. I will give you 5 minutes. Time to speak. Each team's presenters, please come in front of the classroom. Team 1, good job. Team 2, good job. Team 3, good job. So conclusions. It's the same thing which we talked at the early time of our class. So it's same. I will say the students will be able, then you will just say to understand blah blah blah. Okay? Students will be able to understand the reading and find the main point. Students will be able to express what they understand. Students will be able to deliver their message with accurate method. Thank you so much, students. See you later.